Charlie Chalk, Charlie Chalk. Got a funny way of walking and a wacky way of talking. Charlie Chalk, Charlie Chalk. Oh, Charlie Chalk, Charlie Chalk, Charlie Chalk, Charlie Chalk. He can get you out of trouble. He can teach you how to juggle. That's Charlie Chalk, Charlie Chalk. Yeah, Charlie Chalk, Charlie Chalk. He rode a boat to sea to do some sleeping and some fishing. When he awoke, he saw an island. Was he dreaming or just wishing? Charlie Chalk, Charlie Chalk. Got a funny way of walking and a wacky way of talking. Charlie Chalk, Charlie Chalk. Oh, Charlie Chalk, Charlie Chalk, Charlie Chalk.
What? Who's there? Oh, look. It's morning already. I'll just get my coat. Oops. Don't forget to make the bed. A clown's always got to look his best. Now, where's my hat?
I'm Charlie Chalk, I'm Charlie Chalk. Make no mistake about that. I'm Charlie Chalk, I'm Charlie Chalk. Can you see by the sea on my look? There's a sea on my sea by the sea on my hat.
Oh, boy. Today's the day. We're going to try and find the bye-bye beast. Want to come along? Let's be. I sneezed.
Charlie! Charlie Chalk!
That sounds like Louis T. Duck.
Charlie, do you think we'll be able to find the bye-bye beast? He's very shy, you know, and no one's ever seen him before.
Oh, but we will, lad.
Oh, bless you.
Charlie, I do believe you just sneezed.
You're right.
This could be serious. Very serious.
Well, let's think about it later. I want to see if we can find the bye-bye beast.
Me too.
But you don't understand. We will not find the bye-bye beast.
Why not?
Think. We are in the jungle.
The jungle?
And we know the bye-bye beast is near. We can feel it in our bones.
In our bones?
Our bones.
So we're all very, very still.
We don't move a muscle.
Not a muscle.
And then... Precisely. Charlie sneezes and the bye-bye beast goes bye-bye and disappears.
Oh, no.
Exactly. We won't get near the bye-bye beast. Not while Charlie has the sneezes. Oh. Sorry, Arnold.
How long is he going to have the sneezes?
Until he gets rid of them.
Oh, I see.
But how do I get rid of them?
Wear these sunglasses. We'll see you later.
You may see me later, but I can't see a thing with these glasses. It's so dark. Oh, where am I going? Oops, excuse me. Sorry. Now,
Hello, Charlie. What are you doing here? I thought you were going to find the bye-bye beast.
Oh, Edward, we can't go. I've got this sneeze.
Oh, no, not the sneezes. Well, the only cure for the sneezes is to hold your nose like this.
Hello, Charlie. Hello, Edward.
Hello?
Well, if that's what you think of my pie.
No. Captain Mildred, your pie smells, delicious. We're just trying to cure Charlie's sneezes.
He's right.
Just as I thought. Delicious.
Charlie, you must not run around with the sneezes. A, it's not good for you, and B, it's not good for anyone else. Sneezes are very catching, you know.
Not to mention dangerous.
Listen, Charlie, there are two things you can do. A, cover your mouth when you sneeze, and B, go see Trader Jones. Mr. Jones knows all about these sorts of things.
Why didn't I think of that? Thank you, Captain Mildred. I'll go to see Trader Jones right away. Hey, it went away.
Where's Charlie gone?
Hello, Charlie. What are you doing up there?
This just isn't my day. Hello? What? Sorry.
No problem.
I'm afraid I've got the sneezes.
I hurt my finger.
Oh, I see. Right then, who's first?
I am.
This way.
Hello, Charlie. I heard you were here, so I came along to keep you company. Oh, so sorry. Maybe I better keep you company somewhere else.
Trader Jones will cure me, Arnold, and then we'll go and find the Bible. Be careful, there seems to be a nasty wind out there today.
Thanks, Trader.
Next. Don't worry. Before you know it, we'll all be out looking for the Bible. And don't chew on anything hard for at least a week. The doctor will see you now. I see you've got the sneezes. Well, you've come to the right place. Oh, thank goodness for that. I'm an expert on sneezes. I know all about small sneezes. Medium sneezes. Your ones that go like that. Can you cure me? Of course I can. First, we need a little of this. Well, and then we need a little of that. That's right. Shake of this. No, not this. Of this. We'll just put this in here like that. Make it a little more and... Now, Charlie, bring me a nice piece of seaweed from the barrel. Perfect sneeze cure. What are you going to do with this? Put it in that. Quick, before you sneeze again, do this. This? Excellent. Have you done this before? Never? Now, put this seaweed on your nose and hold very, very still. Like this? If that doesn't cure your sneezes, nothing will. Though there's one thing I know I'm forgetting to tell you. What's that? I don't know, but I'll think of it in in a minute. Is it my imagination? Or have I stopped sneezing?
I wish I could remember what it was. Yes, what? Charlie, did you say something?
Sneezing. I haven't been sneezing.
Of course you haven't been sneezing. You're cured.
I am.
You are. And in exchange for curing you, you owe me one afternoon sorting bottles.
Hooray! I'm cured. I've got to tell Lewis and Arnold. Thank you, Trader. No sneezes. Isn't it great? What was that?
It was I, Lewis Tisduck. And I've got the...
You've got the sneezes. Oh, no.
Oh, yes. I've got the sneezes, too.
Get up.
Captain Mildred. Not you as well.
I'm afraid so.
This is terrible. But don't worry. I'll be right back. This is an emergency. I must find Trader Jones. Trader Jones!
Oh, Charlie, I'm glad to see you. I just remembered what it is I had to tell you.
There's no time for that now, Trader Jones. Come quickly and bring some seaweed.
But Charlie! Where's Charlie? God!
I don't... No.
Dave, I'll do.
Oh. Charlie, I've got to tell you...
In a minute, Trader, in a minute. Now, listen very carefully, everyone. Trader Jones and I will cure your sneezes.
I certainly hope so.
Before you sneeze again, do this.
This?
No. This. That's right, very good. Now, everyone, hold very still while Trader and I apply the seaweed soaked in sneeze cure.
It's horrible. Is this a cure or a joke?
Now, Trader, what is it you had to tell me?
Well, you know this seaweed?
Yes, poof.
When it's dipped in the sneeze cure, it's the...
Trader, look. It's the bye-bye beast.
That's what I wanted to tell you. Seaweed dipped in sneeze cure is the bye-bye beast's favourite food.
It is? Did you see that?
It was fantastic. Do you realise we are the first living creatures to see a bye-bye beast?
And do you realise that our sneezes are cured?
It's true.
So, everything turned out all right after all. Only joking.
Charlie Chuck, got a funny way of walking and a wacky way of talking. Charlie Chuck, oh Charlie Chuck, landed on an island, now he's living in the jungle. Everybody comes around to see him clown and watch him tumble. Charlie Chuck, Charlie Chuck, Charlie Chuck, Charlie Chuck.